everyone, welcome back to our channel Speak with Indu. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing great. If you want to speak confidently, then this video is for you. Before we start, repeat after me. Repeat, I can speak English. I never give up. I will speak confidently. Repeat again. I can speak English. I'm very confident. I practice daily. I improve from my mistakes. I never give up. Let's start daily use sentences. I woke up early in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take bath. I do exercises. I eat breakfast. I take tea or coffee. Well done. You have to repeat again. Repeat. I woke up early in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I take breakfast. I take tea or coffee. I go to school. I go to work. I study a lot. I read books. I interact with my friends, with teachers, and I learned new skills, new experiences. I talk a lot with my friends. I played with my friends. I share lunch with my friends, and I played a lot. I used to watch videos. I learned English. Now I will share with you all a wonderful story. There is a Ria. She wants to speak confidently, but she afraid to speak. One day she decided that I will practice English speaking every day. Now she woke up early in the morning. She studied English. Then she practiced to speak in front of mirror. At first she makes mistake a lot, but day by day she improves, and now she speaks confidently and she says, yes, I did it. I am speaking English. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. I'm not afraid of speaking English. I'm confident. Repeat after me. I'm confident as I'm speaking English. I never give up. Now let's start conversation. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm learning English. Do you learn English every day? Do you practice every day? Yes, I practice every day. Now it's your turn. Comment in the box, comment section that I'm learning English, and also write your English routine. Making mistake is not so dull. You just you need to practice daily. There is no need of English perfect. There is only need of confidence and the attitude that never give up. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment your views, ideas, and what you want to see in the next video. Please comment. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.